Looking for a hassle-free way to keep your car safe from the elements? The ADCO Contour Fit Car cover promises just that: easy installation in minutes and a snug, elasticized fit that stays put no matter the weather. Whether you're facing blazing sun or heavy snow, this cover shields your vehicle without damaging its finish. I've seen firsthand how protective car covers can make a difference, especially for vintage or daily use vehicles. The ADCO Armor 400 Model A stands out because of its thoughtful design: 4 layers of water-resistant yet breathable fabric that guard against moisture and heat buildup. Plus, it features soft, non-abrasive lining that won't scratch your paint. It's made to fit cars up to 13 feet 4 inches long, so it works for a wide range of models. Straps and buckles secure the cover tightly, preventing it from flying off in strong winds, a common problem with lesser covers. The inclusion of mirror pockets adds to the tailored fit, making sure every inch of your car is protected. And when you're done, the handy storage bag keeps the cover compact and ready for next time. If you want reliable, long-lasting protection that's gentle on your car's surface, this cover is worth a look. If that's you, someone who values their car and wants to keep it looking its best, consider the ADCO Contour Fit Car cover. It's a practical solution that combines durability, ease of use, and gentle care in one package. Try it when you're ready to give your vehicle the protection it deserves.